So I have already created my fill layer with the white color. I am on Vector Studio. And now let's select the shape tool, left click, select the ellipse tool. And now hold the shift key down and then create your circle to make a perfect circle. And now left click here on the fill. I'm going to remove the fill. And then for the outline, it is black. I'm just going to change it to 5. Press enter. So here it is. Make sure the snapping is checked. Left click here on the arrow. So here are all the features I checked. So now let's select the move tool. I'm going to place it here. And now Ctrl J to duplicate the circle here, the layer. So here it is. And now hold the shift key down and then scale down your layer. So now as you can see, it snaps here in the center. And now Ctrl J again to duplicate this layer. And now I'm just going to place it here like this in the center of the circle. And now hold the Control key and the Shift key down and then scale down your layer. So I'm going to leave it to this size here. So now as you can see, I have already selected the small circle. I'm going to select this circle here. Hold the Shift key down and then select it. Left click on it. And now Ctrl J to duplicate the small and medium circle. And now hold Shift key down and then move your two circles here, the layers here, down here until it snaps here. So here it is. And now make sure on the move tool. And now make sure to select all the layers. Just drag over them with the move tool. And now we need to select the shape builder tool. Left click. Select shape builder. Make sure in the shape builder the action is plus to create a new shape from the selected areas. My areas, so this is the first one and this is the second. So now let's select the move tool. So for this one I'm going to select it. So here you can change its color. So for example, for this one I'm going to change it to black. This one here I'm going to make it white. This one I'm going to leave it to white. And for this one here I'm going to change it to black. And now I'm just going to drag over them and then so now I'm just going to rotate it here like this. So now we have selected all the curves here, all the layers. If you want to increase the outline here, left click here, select the ellipse. And now for example here I can change outline, increase or decrease it. So I'm just going to leave it here like this. So now let's select the move tool.